Full metal jacket. Glock mags.
I'm going to shoot at the top circle now. I think it's just slightly high. Send it. Both went in the black, same hole. Four and five written right here.
Shooting the Ruger P90. Full metal jacket. I'm going to chronograph it and I'm going to chronograph the carbine. Okay, just right carbine. Chronograph this one. I shot one without the camera being on. It shows 9:59. We'll try this one. $1,007. That's a little hotter one. P90 and JR carbine. There you go. Okay, shooting this from two different camera. One is going to be 1080 at 60 frames, and the cell phone behind it is going to be 720 at 240 frames per second. JR carbine 45 auto, shooting about 1,000 feet per second. That's pretty funny. Of course it went through, but there's a pedal off the copper still in there. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Where that bullet sheared off. 45 auto, 230 grain, 1,000 feet per second. I'd say it went through that side.